Welcome to Create Collection Licenses in WorldShare License Manager. WorldShare License Manager streamlines your workflow with your electronic resources licenses by allowing you to create licenses from the vendors your library works with and keeping everything, all the details related to those licenses, in one place. Then after you create your licenses, you can easily manage them. You have two options to create licenses: from a blank form or from templates. Let's start with creating collection licenses from a blank form. After logging into your License Manager account, click the Licenses tab located on the top menu. Then, on the left side panel, click Licenses accordion to expand it. Next, click Create a License button. You can define if you want to create a standard license, which is a renewable license intended to cover multiple contract periods, a perpetual license, which is a license without an end date, a temporary free license, which is a license not associated with a cost, or a trial period license, which is a license intended for an evaluation period. For this video, we will create a standard license. Next, select the license level, collection, or title level. For this video, we are using collection. A form like this opens after you select the license type and license level. The fields with the asterisk, such as name, start date, and end date, are required fields. Give a name to your license that can be easily identified. Select the start date, renewal deadline, and end date using the calendar icon or typing in the date in month, day, year format. Remember that the start date can only be edited before you activate this license. So wait until you're finished entering all the information before activating your license, in case you need to edit any of the fields. You can then enter the costs related to this license. Define the staff member responsible for it. Enter the date the license was signed, and any description you find useful. You can choose for the system to automatically select and deselect your collections when your license is activated as well. Or under Collections accordion, you can find and select the collections associated with this license. You can search for the collection by entering its name, ID, or provider. Notice that when you start writing a name or provider, the system starts offering suggestions for you to select from the list. You will be able to remove selected collections from your license as you manage it. Under the vendor accordion, you can select if this license covers a single vendor or multiple vendors. When you select your single vendor, the system automatically fills in the information for that vendor. For multiple vendors, the system will list the vendors with a link to them with their respective information. Under Terms of Use accordion, you have the tabs for documentation, maintenance, responsibilities, rights, user access, and custom terms, where you can add information according to your terms. You are basically creating a summary of your terms of use to easily refer to when needed. Under the Documentation tab, you can select citation requirement and fill in the fields, or term note and complete this part. Under the Maintenance tab, you can select the archival copy provided to access the collection after the license is terminated, the license delivery instruction, the maintenance window, and performance warranty, then add that information as needed. Like in this example where I selected archival copy provided and mark it as yes. The vendor will supply a copy hosted by provider with fee. You can add the format to be electronic, for example. And on the term qualifier field, you can copy and paste the clause on your license that covers this part, for example. You have up to 5,000 characters for this field. Under the Responsibilities tab, you will be able to add all the details associated to the responsibilities listed on your license terms. Under the Rights tab, you have the option to add your rights related to your license terms. Like in this example, under Rights tab, I selected licensor termination right to be yes, then at will, and period for termination as 30 days. Then you can use the term qualifier field to copy and paste the clause on your license that covers this part. Under the User Access tab, you can define how end users can access the collections related to this license, including for interlibrary loan. In this example, I'm selecting for authorized user as yes for alumni, faculty, student, and for walk-ins with the note, only after authorized by staff. When the preferred box is checked on any term, that term will be marked as preferred, making it easier to identify in the term name drop-down list. If a term is no longer preferred, unchecking the box will remove the designation. For interlibrary loan, you can set as no, which means that your library will not loan these materials. Notice that the options grayed out when you choose no. The same happens if you choose silent, except for allow lending option. Silent allows to keep interlibrary loan either as not allowed, when the allow lending box is unchecked, or interlibrary loan as allowed, when this box is checked. You can also create a custom term and choose if you want it to be set as yes, no, or silent, or just yes or no for the purpose of use. Yes will allow. No will decline. Silent will either allow or decline depending on the purpose. Under Documents section, you can upload a copy of your license terms, contract, or any other document related to this license that you find useful. Under Bookmarks section, you can add URLs. And under Comments section, add any information you want to highlight. After you finish, go to the Save button located on the upper side of the screen to save all the information. Next, return to the General tab and activate your license, then save it. You can create licenses from a template as well. First, from Templates accordion on the left side panel, select a scope from the options. Then enter the search term and search. Locate the template. Then on the right column under Action, click the Create License button. Next, select the license type and license level. The form opens for you to update the name of your license and complete the details. Then save and activate your license. We offer a video about templates. You can find the link on this video description. You can contact OCLC support and find more training materials and documentation at help.oclc.org. Thanks for watching.